Hey everybody, Brain Nectar here, and today I was thinking about doing something a little bit different. Today, instead of like the usual gaming video or just maybe a speed paint, I thought I would take you back on a tour to my art during the year of 2018. Now this would be about a year after high school, and I'd probably be a college freshman. Um, I was still getting used to like digital art after like what I experimented with in 2017, and for this first piece, I was just getting used to like blending and solid colors, so I was trying to make it look more like traditional. And the second piece, it's kind of a quick study. I called them like quick studies. They were kind of painting quickies. They were one-off sort of, to where you'd get it done within a certain amount of time to test your skill within a timed parameter. Because in the real professional world, you don't have long to work on certain pieces, especially if you're like a concept artist. Um, in the next image is one of the earliest sketch dumps. I don't know if I have all sketch dumps still from that year, but I'm not sure I like how I drew Hellboy in this one. I kind of don't like that, but it's okay. There's some pensive, thoughtful characters up above, and I did. This is kind of my old logo before I changed to Brain Nectar. You can see the year 2018, a little doodle. On the next one, some of these are kind of also work doodles, like some of the doodles and stuff I drew when I was at my job, on my break, of course. So I was drawing maybe some Cthulhu almost inspired creature up on the upper left, and there's like a really cool dragon. I like how that moon turned out. I wish I could have done it on a larger scale though. And then the next one is this is kind of more of an experiment with the water blending tool in Krita. You can kind of do a watery effect in Krita. It's really cool. I kind of want to play around more with it in the future, but as of right now, I'm not sure. I'll just have to play around with the layering of it, and then I kind of did some more emotive stuff. You can see in the upper left. Not sure if I'll draw any more of that in the future, maybe. In the next one, you can obviously see some very familiar Marvel characters, and then some face studies. Here I was kind of breaking it down, like taking out the little details of the face and the head, and the anatomy, and then I had like some really cool cyborgs or droids, and some really cool shadow. I need to do this. I need to redraw these on a larger scale because they're like really small thumbnail-like drawings. Okay, on the next one, you can obviously see a lot of like Halo and World of Warcraft fan art, and a monk character right here who's in deep meditation. I think I was trying to do like weapon designs and object designs here, and kind of understand the Halo kind of alien types. And this next one, this is like one of my most favorite out of my sketchbook from that year. I really like. This is a kind of an angel character, and she's supposed to be like. This was supposed to be like a representation of like music genres if they were personified by like elemental or celestial creatures, and she would be like rock or like punk rock, and then up above is like a, I don't know, really cool or almost disturbing image of a lady with ladybugs on her tongue. Alright, and this next one, this one This one was for a video I did, a tutorial, and I don't think I finished coloring it at the end of that tutorial, but I did afterwards. So this is kind of a light coloring of it. On this next one, this is kind of a concept, a loose concept coloring for a new dragon kind of species I was inventing to fill out my creature design. It's kind of a strange kind of dragon. It'd be more like maybe a medium or small sized one, and it would eat like bugs, I guess. Here I have like here's my kind of what I did for 3D art that year. And I was like trying to do weapons and stuff, but I don't think I did a too good job on that sword. That's not too good. But I was doing like very simple solid cell shaded or solid color 3D level designs, and I actually enjoyed that. It was like really cool. Then I was getting back in hand painting, and then I was kind of doing it in the style of like maybe Nintendo DS graphics, PlayStation 1, or N64 kind of pixely textures. Probably more akin to the PS1 and DS. Then on this next page, here is like the evolution of my logo, or art studio logo, Brain Nectar. It was gonna start out as kind of maybe like a word kind of graphic design, but then I thought that didn't really fit with my my art, and it didn't quite make sense. Maybe I'll use it for something else, but for the time, it didn't really seem like it would fit. And then I kind of wanted to do more of a word logo thing, but then I might save that for when I do game development. And then on the one on the bottom left, that was kind of the one we settled on. I worked with another artist to do the pixel art, and I did the designs. That was a really cool experience. And finally, we get to my more favorite rendered kind of paintings of dragons and stuff. Here, I kind of did the breakdown of the very first layer, and then this is the details. Like, I think the background is one of the best parts of this painting. And then finally, we can't call it complete without a Joe Mad study of one of my favorite characters from his series. So I want to do more character studies of this character, and maybe more armor studies and world designs, because it is a massively underrated or overlooked franchise. You guys got to check out the Darksiders franchise. Alright guys, that'll be it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully maybe I'll be able to do more of these in the future, because there's still 2019's art portfolio to check out. I might get to work on that, and I'll also probably get back into some of my other series to finish those up for you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.